back to another JTK Outdoors episode. I'm Keegan, behind the camera is Jager, and it's been a while since we've recorded. So today we're gonna go out on the lake behind Jager's house, and we're gonna see if we can catch some crappies on this inflatable boat. So yeah, see you on the lake. Alright guys, we're gonna launch this boat. Let's pray that it will hold us both. Dude, what if it doesn't even hold me? I feel like it's not gonna do. But it is. Oh! Okay, it holds me. It holds me.
Alright, let me put down your phone.
Wait, no, wait.
I'm coming.
You need to get in first.
I need to get in. I'm coming.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Just wait.
I'll record you getting in.
Yo.
Just get in, Jigger. If it holds me, it's definitely holding you. Dude, let go of me.
Oh, I don't like it.
Sit the other way.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Is it holding you?
Barely. I don't think it's going to be able to get both of us.
We're going to put the phone
down. Give me a paddle. I'm going to go out of the way.
We're going to put the phone down and see. It's good.
I was going to get out there.
It's good. It's definitely good. Okay, we're putting the phone down and in the plastic bag until we get on the lake. Alright everyone, we made it in the boat. We are on the water, both of us. The limit's 210. We're definitely over the limit, but we're floating. So we're gonna get out there and see if we can catch some fish. This is actually working better than any one of us thought. I bet. Jager, watch where we're going. And Jager sucks at the oar. Oh shoot! Give me it! Give me it! Dude!
I got one hand on the oar and one hand on the camera.
Hold the rod. Hold the rod.
I got the rod.
Hold the rod. It is hard. It's hard. I'm not gonna lie. It's hard. So we went in. Push us off the dock. Okay. I'm gonna get us out a little ways, so we're away from all this mess. But we went out a little ways. We're getting soaked, as you can see. Dude, I need this focus. We've been going out a little ways. We came back for a check to make sure no leaks or anything. And surprisingly to everyone, surprise, there is no leak. Jager has the first fish.
There he is. Yeah.
On the boat.
Oh, this will be interesting.
Jager just made history. Dude, who's doing this, bro? We're getting close to the dock again. We get closer to closer. Jager's it's been a while since he's caught a sunny, so give me a break, y'all. Trying to push us back out and record at the same time.
There we go.
He got
That's number one on the boat.
Smashed. Good job, Jager. Good job. But unfortunately, that's not what we're after.
Nope, we're going after crappies.
All right, we'll be back. Next fish, baby.
That was good.
Hooked up, hooked up, hooked up. Dude, I keep reeling them. I reeled them so high. We are on, boys. Okay. Well, as you guys can see right here, we're gonna get off the camera so we can. I'll show you guys when he's on, but Jager needs to get us out of this predicament we're in. Hooked on to a little sunny again, boys. This is feeling great. I'm feeling great. Can you hold up this? Thank you. So we've undone the rope. So now we just gotta rely on our oar. Here we are. Little guy. I literally just put Jake. I put 2 feet out of not even 2 feet, huh? Let's get a nice release on him. Come up here. Come down here and look. A nice release. So, I'm literally, let me see the rod. I put it right out here. Show him. Show him. Dude, show him. I put it right here. And I was getting bites. Okay, we're gonna put the phone down. We're getting close to some weeds again. So, peace out. Oh my gosh, it was huge. We just got robbed. Jager, do you have the tubes? All right, guys, so we're in the middle of the lake, as you can see. Jager. We made it a good bit out. The thing is, there's no fish over here, so we kind of just did it to see what it's like. There's still the dock. Dock's way over there. We do the little pallet thing. We're way out here, and it's kind of hot. Not gonna lie, it's kind of hot out. Oh, I'm getting bites right here. Let's see if I can catch this fish, guys.
So far, we've caught how many fish, Keegan?
I've caught 2. You've caught 3.
All right.
So we've got 3 fish in total, and I'm gonna catch them. Hold up. Can you put the recording?
We're just fishing right off the side.
This is how
Right there.
I can see I'm getting him.
Can see him playing with it. Oh!
Dude, didn't I time that perfectly? Take it, bud. So, he's starting to smack it.
Just wait.
I see him, but he's taking it. Yo, he took the rod tip under, and
So we're gonna change up the setup a little bit. Stop recording, and we'll get right back to you guys.
Guys, I'm on a huge sunfish. He is super aggressive. He's like heavy. Look at him. All right, hold on.
I can't.
Put the oar down. Smart one. Watch. Jacob, easy. We don't want.
Oh, he's barely hooked.
Dude, I gotta keep. All right, guys. So me and Jager are walking to Walmart right now. 'Cause Ty called us and got mad that we weren't doing this with him. So we're like, okay, and we'll do it with you. So we're gonna go get another boat, another Explorer 300. The one we have right now is a 200. So now Jager will be able to sit in the 200 by himself, and me and Ty, he's not Ty, I forgot. Me and Ty will be in the 300 fishing while he's recording. But Ty didn't want to walk with us because he's pouting right now. And I know Ty's gonna see this. He's being really pouty. So, yeah. So if you guys...
Don't worry, Ty. We'll make sure to buy a small oars for your little hands so you can steer through the water. We're thinking of you, bud.
If you guys see this, put Ty's ungrateful in the comments below. We'll see you when we're at Walmart. That's an Explorer Pro. An Explorer Pro 200. What are the pros?
They're gray, not orange.
What's pro about them, you think? We'll be back when we make our decision.
It's so fun.
We can straight up move around in it sideways, you noob! You're so little, dude. Look how little it is. There's no catching it. Ty has one. Did you just let it sit there and see if you can get it? You just let the Ty caught one. Come on. No! That was a good one. Dude, it was a big one, dude. Is it stupid? Why are you connected to us? Can't you ever do this, Ty?
Just let us sit on shore. That's what I'm saying. You wanted to bring us right here, right in front.
No, in the
when we
middle
can
I
sit
brought us.
right there.
I brought us in the middle. You can't cast that far.
Yeah, well, there's no fish in the middle.
Yes, there is. That's what
there's
me and
not.
Jager
How
were
come we
catching.
can catch it?
Jager, were we catching them?
Yes.
Jager.
Yes, I said.
Hey.
Yes, I said.